Too earthy. Smells like one of your food recycling bins.
This is scheduled sister time. Please don't spend it deciding what perfume to wear. You said you'd show me how to do a top knot.
As soon as I found the right perfume, we can relax. You know how it goes. See? Print ink with top notes of sensible. You've picked the perfect... You're not wearing any perfume.
Look, I found this old video of us. Remember that?
Ew. Who'd want to smell like school canteen? Eject.
Why won't it stay? Can't you help?
I can help. Everyone must have this problem. Oh, invention. The perfect perfume.
What? Now? What about me?
Who would want to smell like you? I'll design the bottle. I'll do an amazing advert and I'll call it something Novi.
Or how about not that? We're in scheduled sister time right now.
I want my own perfume made by me.
Nova, please don't do a tantrum.
I will do a tantrum. I'll...
Tantrum. My Nova. How does your pongometer work, Professor Pong? What do we need to make the perfume?
I point the pongo cam here at Miss Jones and ask questions. Each answer captures a whiff of personality. The pongometer matches those with an ingredient and voila! A very personal perfume!
So, to make the perfume, all Nova needs to do is sit still and be interviewed? That's so easy.
Boringtons, I want to do adverty designy thing.
Please look into the pongo cam.
Am I on TV? Hello, Novalites.
Nova, it's not TV.
Isn't it? Then why am I here?
We just need you to answer a few...
That lens is exactly the glass I want for my perfume bottle. Can I buy it?
No.
Oh, you mean yes. Bored now. Thanks for making the smelly. Laterinos.
Nova, come back. If you don't do this interview, you'll have no perfume.
And if I don't make an advert, no one will buy the perfume. Duh.
There's no point making an advert for an empty bottle. You'll get complaints.
I've asked you to fill it with smelly. You're always making me do stuff. Watch this video. Give me a top knot.
That was supposed to be a fun day for us. Nova, you're impossible. Managing you is impossible.
What? Being me is impossible. The next person we meet could do your job.
So these help make perfume?
Right. When someone says something nice, the yellow one fills with a splendid smell. If they say something negative, the green one grows, filtering away any pungent pong. Sometimes people say the stinkiest things. You wouldn't want those in your fabulous fragrance.
Got it. Yellow good, green bad. Let's make perfume.
Nova Jones. Oh, the best discovery ever since the discovery of space, of course. Did you know the black bits are actually licorice?
Of course she's fun. Just like that time she used me as a chair for the whole day. Ooh, exciting.
And how would you describe her personality?
Absolutely.
Crackers, sushi, pizza. Yeah, anything but salads. Ask Chef Dindins.
Nova is a deep well of talent. She quenches our thirst with the sweet water of her music. She also loves a good tantrum.
Do a job you love and you'll never need a day off in your life. Which is great, because Nova says, as manager, I don't get a day off. Nova's voice is pitch perfect. I once heard her shouting at McLaren and it sounded divine.
You released the negative net, didn't you? Why does everyone have to do that?
Well, the green stink spread all through the ship, Professor. What can we do?
To cancel such a negative myth, we'd need a powerfully positive pong made of huge, happy feelings.
A super scent!
Made of joy, love, a bit of loyalty, a smidgen of hope.
Joy, love, loyalty, and hope. That's Nova and McLaren. Only they're not friends anymore.
Forget it. McLaren said all those nasty things to Pongo Cam. She created the stinky.
No, she didn't. It was made of lots of little small comments. Here's your sister's interview.
Okay. Here's the thing about Nova Jones. She's not my client anymore, but she will always be my sister. She's easily distracted, but she's loyal to her fans, the crew, even her annoying little sister. It takes courage to stand up and be a superstar, and she does it with style. Her music brings us all together and gives us hope. She's fun. We used to do this dance. I miss doing stuff like that with her. She's the best big sister anyone could ever wish for. I guess I'm her biggest fan.
I think all this clean air is making my eyes water.
Sorry.
Oh! Nova wants to meet? Maybe I should go. But I have a job to do here. I can't just...
No, you should go. You should go. It's important. It's your sister. Please go. You should go, really.
But who will be in charge of the fun?
Oh, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Won't we, Digit? Won't we? Yeah, we'll be absolutely fine. Go.
Nova, you, wanted to see me?
Yes, I do. I want to see you lots. I want my sister back.
I gotta get out of here!
Captain!
Sid, the cockpit's contaminated.
Quick, into the wardroom!
The wardrobe! Come on, Cap. Keep it together, Cap. Keep it together. You can't lose another ship.
What are we gonna do now?
We have a plan. The Pongo cam will make a scent from any joy found in the room. Is the Pongo cam recording?
The Pongo cam is recording in Nova's quarters.
I've been a teensy-weensy bit me-occupied lately. I'm sorry.
You replaced me. Used our song in your advert.
I never taught you the top knot.
Yes! It's like all the sister things don't matter if you've got celebrity stuff to do.
But they do. I love that stuff. I just get distracted. Is that Pong machine on?
Nova!
I know. I swear I will try and be more listening to you.
It can't be easy, the entire universe expecting so much from you all the time. And singing is hard.
So is managing. Look at the stinky mess I'm in without you. We're good at different things, but together we're the real dream team. The team of my dreams. Especially when we're dancing.
You are my light, you hear my call. You make it right, catch me when I fall. And when we fight, we let it go. You make it right, you help me to grow. Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, our love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? Stronger.
Are you crying?
No.
Danced with me in ages, and besides, I don't remember the moves. So,
Dance with me. You're my manager, and managers do what megastars say.
it's actually the other way around.
Nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable, and no